We're getting some breaking news at this moment. The Election Commission of India has banned KCR, the former Chief Minister of Telangana, from campaigning for 48 hours. This action has been taken against KCR for derogatory and objectionable remarks he has made against the Congress party. The BRS chief has been banned for 2 days. He cannot campaign for the Lok Sabha elections starting 8 p.m. tonight. Let me very quickly go across to my colleague Uma Sudhir. Now the Election Commission, in fact, taking a tough decision there on a complaint by the Congress party. They have banned Mr. KCR from campaigning for 48 hours.
Yes, indeed. Quite stringent action being taken against the former Chief Minister. In fact, the Chief Minister had started his bus yatra just a few days ago. And what we were hearing from the ground is that the graph of the BRS was actually picking up at this point in time, because KCR was in fact directly attacking the Congress on multiple fronts, including on the issue of water, and he was saying also that the farmers are suffering, there is no relief, and that the guarantees that the Congress had promised were all being not fulfilled by them. What I must point out is that in this entire campaign period, the kind of language that is being used, whether it is by the former Chief Minister, who has now been in a sense reprimanded by the Election Commission, as well as by the present Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy, as well, who has been in fact taking on central BJP leaders, including the Prime Minister and Mr. Amit Shah. And in fact, he had been mocking, I should say, quite harshly the former Chief Minister, speaking about putting him in jail and using very derogatory language as well for the former Chief Minister. This is what Revanth Reddy was doing, but of course now KCR being told that he cannot campaign for 48 hours. That will be quite critical, because in just about less than 13 days is when elections happen, 13th of May, and this period is going to be very critical for the BRS, because as we have seen so far, we were saying that BRS certainly on the back foot with the battle between the Congress and the BJP, but with KCR starting his campaign, and he is known to be a very energetic campaigner, someone who can connect directly to the audiences, and it is in that now this interruption has come, and that is certainly bad news for the BRS camp itself, which was hoping that picking up on its own profile that was otherwise, graph that was otherwise going down, KCR's campaign, they were hoping will be able to help them at least in those seats where they see good opportunity with good candidates being put up. Back to you.
Uma, if I may ask you, do we know what in fact had the former Chief Minister had said, for which he has been given, or he has been slapped with this ban?
I'm actually not aware of those details about what the specific comments were, for which objection has been taken, but I do know that KCR is someone who is unbridled, should I say, when he goes fiery after some leader. Just today we have seen, for instance, the kind of language that is being used in Telangana, something that the people have started presuming that when you use very harsh or abusive language, mocking language, that's something that finds you fans and finds you, hopefully they would think that is helping them get voters. But I'm sorry, I'm not able to tell you the specific comments that the Election Commission has now taken note of. Back to you.